My name is Sara Therrien, and I am a counselor with Violet Healing and Recovery in Portland, Maine. Started seeing Sarah about 3 years ago, coming to her workshops, constellation workshops, and then a depth empathy energy of living needs workshop for a year with her, and now continue to come to workshops every few years to really just integrate the work and the information that she has. The thing I love about her workshops is the way that she presents the information. I don't have time nor energy to go read all kinds of scientific studies, some being probably pretty dry, I assume, on neurobiology and how behavior and interactions with other humans affects the brain, the body, and how we heal. Although I find that information fascinating, again, it's not something that I would necessarily seek out. I didn't realize how fascinating I would find it until I started seeing Sarah 3 years ago coming to these workshops, and the way that she presents the material is amazing. It is relational, it's understandable, it's clear. And when I first started coming to see her, I actually was a salesperson. And even though I had several degrees in the helping profession, I was not using them. And since then, I have started my own practice. I work with women in recovery, and I've been able to integrate the work that she has taught me into the 12-step work that a lot of the people that I see are doing. And I was pleasantly surprised and delighted that the work is a beautiful accompaniment to recovery from all sorts, and treating anxiety and treating, pretty much, just really gentle but deep, effective ways to rewire our brain and our experience in this world. And again, her grasp on the material, she pulls from so much information and just compiles it into this really amazingly fluid and just really easy to apply. Practical knowledge, practical experience. I can't speak anywhere like highly of her than I do. I feel like she has been the catalyst for totally changing my life on so many levels, personally and professionally.